Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video is entitled How to Use TubeBuddy to Grow Your YouTube Channel. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, TubeBuddy is a video analytics tool that allows you to assess your videos and other people's videos on YouTube so that you can optimize your own videos. Optimize your own videos. Why would you want to do that? You want to get more views, you want to get more subscribers, you want your channel to grow. You need to use a tool like TubeBuddy. In this video I'm going to give you three tips, three practices that I use TubeBuddy for and how it helps my channel to grow. The first tool I want to talk about is the Keyword Explorer. So there's a link to TubeBuddy in my description below, so please scroll down to the link, click on that, and you'll be able to access TubeBuddy, download a Chrome extension, and then be good to go on your own channel and making improvements. Let's change view because I just want to show you the Keyword Explorer. Bear with me for one moment. Okay, the Keyword Explorer, this icon here is TubeBuddy. Once you've got the Chrome extension installed, you'll see this and it gives you a prompt to click to analyze videos, either your own videos or other people's videos. Okay, so in this instance, I've been planning some forthcoming videos and looking at different topic areas within my niche. My niche is content marketing and my channel covers content marketing, business and life, as you've seen from the header, and regular subscribers and regular viewers will know that already. So here I've typed in a potential title video, why inbound marketing is better than outbound marketing. TubeBuddy's keyword research tool gives me this information. The search volume is poor. Not a lot of people are looking for that video. Not really worth me making that video. Competition is good. It's when it says good, it's green there. You see color-coded green, which means there's not a lot of competition, but there's also not a lot of people searching for it. So out of possible 100 for a video idea, it's only scoring 20, and that's rated as poor, so I'm not going to make that video. It also gives you a breakdown of what are the best components in that keyword. This is a long tail keyword. What are the best components in that keyword to search for? So inbound marketing was the best one. Outbound, not so bad. Marketing strategy also could be considered. So when you've got an idea, and you'll see the relevance of what I'm typing in a few minutes later in this video, if all goes to plan. So here's another video I've made. I'm going to talk about that a bit later. I'm going to have a look at the analysis. Has YouTube stopped promoting Janelle Eliana? It's a video I've already made. Click on the keyword score. It's just loading now. So the keyword score for that, by comparison to the inbound one video that the video idea that I didn't make. This is the video I did make. And the has YouTube stopped promoting Janelle Eliana? The keyword score there is 45 out of 100, so that's good. Search volume is relatively poor because it is quite niche. Competition, there was not a lot of competition, so it's an excellent video to make, and I did make that video. And there's my video there. So it's ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth video out of all of the search results on YouTube, so that's very good. Now, so the keyword score, the Keyword Explorer is one of the free features of TubeBuddy. So already you can get your value just from that. You'll give you a steer as to which videos to make, which videos not to make, and you won't waste your time making videos that nobody wants to watch. No one wants that, and it's obviously disheartening and demotivating, and people stop uploading videos to YouTube for that reason, that they don't get viewers, they don't get subscribers. One of the reasons being they're making videos that nobody wants to watch. So number one, Keyword Explorer, excellent tool, free within TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy link is in the description below. Now, another feature that is very useful for growing your channel is working out which of those keywords are ranking for your existing videos. So let's go to a different screen for a moment. Okay, those of you who are regular viewers and subscribers will probably recognize this video. It's a video obviously I have made. I made a couple of years ago. It's called YouTube Creator Connect London, Google HQ. It's a video, sort of a vlog summarizing my visit to Google for a Creator Connect London meeting, as you might expect from the title. Now let's have a look at this. As I say, this is the second feature of TubeBuddy that I particularly enjoy. It's the ranking position of existing videos. So I'm going to scroll down. This is a video I've made. This is a video that's live. It's got about 4 to 5,000 views. It was around a particular event, and you can see for YouTube Creator Connect as a long tail keyword, I'm ranking number 3 in all of Google, which is very good. And for YouTube Creator Connect London, I'm ranking number 1. That's number 1 in all of Google, so that's brilliant. Also ranking for Creator, also ranking for Connect. Some of my other keywords here you can see not ranking at all within Google. So those are the 4 keywords that have driven the volume of views for that video. So ranking position of existing videos is an excellent feature that's free, that's included in the free version of TubeBuddy. Just a moment about TubeBuddy. This is not a sponsored video. I am an affiliate for TubeBuddy, so if you click on the link below in the description, I will get a small commission if you sign up to use the paid for features of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy works on the business model that is known as freemium, so they'll give you some features for free, and then if you want the legend status or you want all of the features that TubeBuddy is able to offer, then you have to pay for that on a monthly recurring basis. So that's how TubeBuddy works. They're not obviously a charity. They do give you some features for free which help YouTube creators grow their channel, but then if you want all of the features, you'll need to pay for that. So just rounding out the point number 2 about ranking position of existing videos. Very good, very important, and you can get this information, this data from YouTube via TubeBuddy for free. So that's why it's definitely something you should use if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, third feature that I want to highlight. I don't want to make this video too long. It could be an hour long. I don't want an hour long video. The third feature that is very important that I want to highlight is suggested tags. So let's go through, let's scroll down here. Let's use the existing feature. So I've researched the keywords using the Keyword Explorer. I've put the best keywords for the video. This is still using that same example for that video, and I've ranked for those. And if I'm thinking, well, what other keywords would be useful, I can click on suggested. So it's suggesting that I could add Google London as a tag. I could add Google HQ, Google King's Cross, Mike Pitt, Marketing Fundamentals, and overlap there. So those are also suggested. I could add all of those for the channel and improve. So let's do this. Let's add Google London. Click on that. Let's add Google HQ. Let's add Google King's Cross. Mike Pitt's already on there. I'm sure that's already one. Let's add Local Content Marketing London. Let's add B2B Content Marketing Agency London. Let's close that now. Those tags should be added in. Those tags have now been added. You can see they're added here. And I think perhaps we should take out some of the other tags that didn't add anything. So Google didn't add anything. London didn't add anything. Editing didn't add anything. It's not ranked. So now we're getting more rankings, which is good. Connecting didn't. Networking misspelt there, didn't add anything. Let's remove that. Okay, we're going to add in business owner again. I'm going to take it out there because that's duplication. Okay, so we've now added in those new suggested tags, and that will have improved the search rankings. I already had very good rankings for those 2 keywords, but that would have improved the rankings, and you can see all the green, that's showing you the rankings across YouTube. So it's improved the rankings of this video. We're going to save that using TubeBuddy. Save it. So that's improved an already well-performing video just using the suggested tags feature, which is available as a free feature. It's quite mind-blowing really that you can just do this for free because of TubeBuddy. So that's my recommendation. I've been using TubeBuddy for a few years now. I can't remember, I think it's maybe 3 years, maybe 4 years, but I've definitely noticed growth in my channel, growth in subscribers, growth in views. And also, I mean, the significant breakthrough for me was when I went from getting views every now and then on particular videos to views every day on lots of videos. And that's the difference. And TubeBuddy is an excellent tool for making that transition. So if you want to grow your channel, then I suggest you download TubeBuddy and start using it. Or you have any more questions about TubeBuddy, then drop them in the comments below. Let me know what you think about TubeBuddy, and I will come back to you and we can possibly make another video about that. But I'll be happy to answer your questions and queries in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Click on my face to subscribe and click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, bye-bye.